What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the printer admin password on your Epson EcoTank printer. So for this model, the ET-2950 guys, it is literally right here in the front panel. Now, as you can see, we have this sticker which says password and then has 8 digits. This, guys, is your printer admin password. And what I want to stress, guys, is that the only reason that this is ever really used is because when you're connecting your iPhone, for example, to your EcoTank, it might require you to have your printer admin password, or when you're connecting another device, for those who are more techie out there, if you're connecting something for your business through certain channels, you might need the printer admin password. So that is basically where you find it on this model. I'm going to show you common places to look on if you have a different model or if it's just not here. So it's normally going to be on a sticker, guys, and for every other EcoTank model I've seen, it's actually just on the inside. If you lift up your printer, so if you look on the inside of your printer, it's normally like here, or maybe in the back somewhere. This model, they kind of stop you from lifting your lid up the whole way. So I'm not going to do that here. But on models that you can lift up the whole way, I would suggest just looking on the inside. But that is everywhere I have seen it be done. And yeah, that is it, guys. I hope that this helped. If you do have any questions, guys, feel free to leave a comment down below. But if this did help, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, as that would help us out so much. And yeah, guys, if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments. And guys, if you're in the need for any like printer supplies, paper, ink, anything like that, guys, please check out our sponsor in the description. They are a great third-party worldwide paper shipping company, and for printer supplies and anything you could need, ink, cartridges. And yeah, guys, you'd be helping out a small business, and you'd be helping out us, your favorite printer content creators. Don't buy everything off Amazon, guys. Jeff Bezos doesn't need any more money. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.